Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Travel Tech. So this is the exclusive first look of the Nexdigitron Prime Plus triple channel dash cam. So I just received it in my studio right now and I'm so excited to take a look at the first triple channel camera from Nexdigitron. So before I actually show you the camera, here's the box pack, and I really think Nexdigitron have upped their game in terms of providing some premium packaging. Even the logo has been kind of embossed. This looks very neat and premium. This camera supports 4K resolution and it has a 3.18 inch screen. It gets 5 GHz Wi-Fi, gets GPS, gets the support of Dashcam app and also gets voice control. Nothing else highlighted on any other side except that this is a Prime Plus dashcam. So it was high time that Nexdigitron launched the updated version of their previous Nexdigitron Prime dashcam, and this is one camera which I have been very curious and very excited to wait for. So let's take a look and show you the first unboxing and the first look of the Nexdigitron Prime Plus triple channel dash camera. So here's the box pack, and as I said previously, Nexdigitron has really done a good job in terms of providing a fantastic premium unboxing experience. So here you go. This is the Nexdigitron Prime Plus triple channel dash cam. So how does this look, guys? This looks and screams premium. I mean, this really feels like a very polished and a fine product from Nexdigitron, and I was kind of expecting this from them in 2024. So as you can see, they have highlighted that this is a 4K resolution camera, gets 5 GHz Wi-Fi. They have put up a prominent Nexdigitron logo at front. So it gets this GPS mount with this large 3M sticker at front. The camera is foldable, so as you can see, you can move about the camera up and down. At the back, a gorgeous 3.16 inch display. On one side, they've got the memory card slot, rear camera slot, and on this side, they have provided a rubber cup or a rubber lid for the Type-C port. So just showing you that now. Alright, so this is the Type-C port right here, and they have provided a rubber lid for it. So in case if you take out the dash cam, you can put this lid back and keep the Type-C port safe and secure. There are plenty of buttons at the bottom to control the display. They've even got the reset slot and the mic slot here. On top you find a lot of ventilation holes. So a very premium experience and a refined product from Nexdigitron. So this is good for all the viewers and all the customers who are looking to buy dash cameras. Also for the fact that this camera is currently under discount on the Amazon sale. You get some SBI credit card discount of 1000 plus rupees for both dual and the triple channel variants. I'll give you the links below in the description. Go ahead and check it out. So this was a quick overview and the exclusive first look of the Nexdigitron Prime Plus triple channel dash camera. You get this in both variants, dual and the triple channel variant. So I'll be bringing up a detailed review video of this camera pretty soon on my channel. You can wait for that video before you actually make that purchase decision. But if you're already impressed with the kind of quality, the kind of dash cam Nexdigitron has released, you can go ahead and purchase it right away. The links to purchase it are given below in the description. Tell me how you found this dash cam. Are you impressed with the kind of quality Nexdigitron has provided, and are you happy with the kind of product Nexdigitron has just launched? So I'm very happy, and this Nexdigitron Prime dashcam looks pretty good, looks very premium, and I'm so excited to take a look at the kind of video quality this camera provides, and does it live up to its expectations. So this was the special video for today. Make sure you watch the detailed review video of the Prime Plus dropping on my channel as soon as I start working on this camera. So if you like this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video as well, and of course don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload the detailed review video of this camera. That being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.